Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Now with the West Indies set to depart for a historic tour of England in just a matter of days, pacer Oshane Thomas could be on the verge of making his Test debut, having been named as one of the reserves for the tour. More in this report. 23-year-old Oshane Thomas has become a fairly well-known name in recent years. His pace and aggression has excited cricket fans and commentators worldwide, but he is yet to make his Test debut.
Well, I've never played Test cricket before, but as I say, I've been doing some work, so I think I'm right there, not where I want to be, but I definitely think I could manage if I should get the opportunity to make my debut. I know that I could manage.
The bustling pace bowler has so far taken 27 wickets in 20 ODIs and is coming off a tour of Sri Lanka where he took a 5-wicket haul in the first of 2 T20s. So what else does he need to prove to selectors to get a maiden Test call-up?
I don't think I need to prove anything. It's just they always tell me once I maintain my fitness and stay fit, then the sky is the limit. So I just me all in my hands to just be fit and ready.
Young Thomas would also have seen a rise in income in recent times, having just last year signed a lucrative deal in the Indian Premier League for the Rajasthan Royals. But like everybody else, he says the COVID-19 break has made a dent in his finances.
Well, it's been hard on everyone, but you still have to live and yeah, so it's been hard. I don't not playing cricket for about 3 months now. It's been hard, so just being home. You're not touring, not doing anything. Just a whole heap of expense, a whole heap of spending. When you would have been on tour, saving. When you're home, you spend a lot on things, so it definitely affects everyone.
Thomas is one of 11 reserves who have been selected for the Windies Tour of England. The West Indies are due to arrive in England on June 9 for a 3-test series starting on July 8. The matches will be played in a biosecure environment in what will be the first series since international cricket was suspended in March due to COVID-19.